how to make Pinterest dark mode. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to make your Pinterest similar to our Pinterest over here, what you're going to do is you're going to search in your Google, you're going to search Pinterest Noir dark theme. So basically this is a web browser extension that would modify our Pinterest so that we could convert it into dark theme. So simply add it to your Opera or your browser, whether it's Google Chrome, Edge, or whatever. And after that, you're going to go to your Pinterest over here. You're going to open your extensions tab over here on the top right where it typically is located. And you're going to select Pinterest Noir. Over here, you should be able to see a pop-up that would look like this, as you can see. And as you can see right now, I have turned on my dark theme. So if I turn this off, it's going to go back to normal. If I turn it on, as you can see, then we could adjust our rounding on images as well. So you could customize it to a certain level. Then you could also increase some indentation over here, as you can see. So aside from the fact that you're able to have dark theme, you also have additional customization that you will be able to do. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.